Hey guys, welcome to another video and thanks for clicking on this one. I just wanted to let you know that I'm aware that the Speedbird Pilot Academy is open for applications and I'm as excited as you all are. You have to understand that when these things open for applications, there's a lot of excitement and I want you guys to keep that excitement because that excitement is what will push you to do the hard work and hopefully you get selected through the program. Know that a year, maybe 2 years from now, a lot of lives will be changed. Maybe you'll be starting your training, maybe you'll be completing your training by then. And I'm always excited to just see those pictures, maybe on Instagram or wherever that most of you, post these pictures, and to see that, at some point we interacted, talked about the program, maybe gave you some recommendations, and you made it through. So I hope that you watching this video, if you are going through the selection process as well, I hope that you get selected. I hope that you do well, and I hope that you find helpful tips or hints through all these videos that I make. Again, at the end of the day, success is what drives me to make this video, and I hope that you get to achieve that success as well. So let's get to this that I have right here. I think most of you might have seen this in the past, just to show you with opening, at the time when I was making this old board, it was opening, we didn't have a date, now it opened and we have around 10 days between 11th and 21st to get the application done. So I hope that you guys are already prepared, and everything that you need literally has been provided to you up front. The prep materials that was shared by British Airways has all the information that you need in preparing. So if you've done your part, you must have your CV ready. You must have some form of motivation as to why you want to become a pilot, why you want to work for British Airways, what have you done to pursue your interest in aviation. And I hope that you guys have done that part, because like I've always shared with those in the previous cohort, I always say that you have to be ahead of this, because once you start, it's like a snowball effect. It gets harder, it gets more tedious, it gets more cumbersome if you do not have the ability to stay ahead. And that's something that you must have already done by now. Okay, and that's why I always try to make these videos well in advance to kind of give you such expectations of what to expect and prepare you for these opportunities. And we've talked about all of this, processes here and all the steps and all the recommendations I would give and all that. So I'm not going to be doing all that lengthy video or lengthy talk in this video. If you haven't seen, looks dark. Anyway, if you haven't seen that video, please, you can check it out in my playlist. You see where I talk about the different aspects of the assessment you can expect and how to prepare, and hopefully you are able to pick one or two things from that video and it will help you, do well. The goal is to do well. But here's the bottom line of this video. The bottom line of this video is that your motivation is what would push you to do well through the selection process. And I think I've shared that in the past, that this is often a game of motivation. If you're a highly motivated individual, you're likely to study, you're likely to do well, you're likely to put in the extra effort, to do the extra research, to do the extra work needed to achieve success. And that is what I want you to really focus on. You see, this program is going to last, or this selection process will last maybe 3, 4, 5 months, something like that. And you are likely going to be exhausted at some point. Okay. But I want you to always remember something. Okay. This is an £100,000 worth of investment in you, which means that if you can do your best to achieve success in the selection, you will be awarded, just think about it, £100,000. If money doesn't motivate you to do what you have to do, I don't know what else will. Of course, you have to have the passion for the job, you have to have passion for the training and all these things that you have to do to become a pilot. But remember, you are not having to work and save up that £100,000. So all you really have to do is to do your part. And I hope that you will do your part and you will achieve success. Again, if I have any suggestions, any good tips that I think would help, I'll try to bring it to the channel, let you guys know. But otherwise, I just want to wish you best of luck, and I'll see you in a future video.